Technology is the driver of business, hence the increasing growth, trade and commerce on the global markets. But the business space has changed dramatically with the emergence of artificial intelligence that's optimizing performance and innovation. However, one of the downsides of artificial intelligence is the loss of jobs to robots. At the Kofi Annan ICT Training Center, the managing lead of Wheezy Technology, Mr. Samuel Abuaji, said robots have taken over jobs that human beings do, and this calls for the sharpening of skills by the youth to create jobs for themselves instead of seeking for jobs.
Now, the traditional way where jobs used to be 9 to 5 is giving away to remote work, is giving away to flexible work. So there is what we call the gig economy. The gig economy simply means that you work with different employers, you deliver the job and you get paid. So these opportunities present a fine moment for every young person. These opportunities are global and you can tap into it wherever you are. Once you have access to internet and a laptop, that's it. Can get employed by a company in US, in UK, in India, everywhere.
The benefits of technological solutions for businesses include financial savings, improved data security, increased revenue streams, and improved business agility.